This is Jamie Drummond for Good Food Revolution, and we are here with a long-term friend of Good Food Revolution, Pam Freedom from Dish. How are you, Pam?
I'm great, thanks.
Now, we are at your new location down here on College Street in Little Italy, College Street. Tell us a little bit about this new space. This is absolutely wonderful. You want to have a little look.
Well, we took possession of our space here in June, and it needed a lot of renovation. It was a club before, and everything was painted black.
Oh, a nightclub.
A nightclub, yes. And it was really a bit of a scary spot. So we took out all the walls, we just opened it all up so we could maintain our cooking school area as well as our cafe and prepared foods. And so it took a little bit longer in the renovation and a little bit more money than you expect.
Always
but it is the way. And we opened up sort of the end of October to the general public, a soft opening. We did run some classes while we were still working on things, and I even had a couple in my house because the corporates wanted to come in and have some cooking classes, so that was sort of fun as well too.
Now you look as if you have a much larger space here.
We do. So the front part of the building is long and narrow, which is great for the cafe and the prepared foods, and then it opens up where we have a full bar service, and then as well as our cooking school, which is in the back. We have seating for 60 people.
60 people now?
Yeah, and we'll actually do a hands-on class for 60 people as well.
Goodness, that's
it's
impressive.
A bit wild, and we do have quite a few teachers that come in and help us out with that, but it's terrific.
What kind of programming do you have for these classes?
So for the general public, we have, most of our classes are cuisine related, so it could be Greek or French or that sort of thing. We also have what we call date nights, which you come with a friend or a date, whatever, and it's a hands-on cooking class. Again, cuisine related. You cook a 4-course meal that you're cooking together, and then you sit down and have a fully plated meal, which has been great because a lot of the people get together and then they go out for drinks, and it's been a really fun time for us.
I believe you're having an open house of sorts come March.
We are. March 26th, it's the day before Easter, and we're going to have some heritage eggs here where kids can come in and do some coloring of the eggs with natural dyes from beets and blueberries and that sort of thing. Cheese Boutique will be here, Sannigan's is going to be here. We're going to do some of our own special treats just to show the different food that we serve, as well as a mixology, and it's going to be a really fun day. So it's from 11 to 3. And we'd love to see as many people there as possible.
This sounds fantastic, and right up my alley as well. Now,
I forgot chocolate too. We're having chocolate. I'm a chocolatier.
I know someone who would enjoy the chocolate. That's for sure. Now, the retail side of the operation, what have you been doing there?
So our philosophy here is that whatever we sell in retail is what we use in our classes as well as the prepared foods. So that if you come to Dish, we can teach you how to make a certain dish. You can purchase it or you can buy different elements of it. So if you wanted to have a certain finishing oil, we have 2 oils that we recommend that we say we think they are the best. And so you don't have to look at 6 or 7 and have no idea what to do with them.
Excellent. And you have some prepared foods as well.
We do.
Which is fantastic.
We do.
And is that something that's popular with people up and down College Street?
It is. We still have some of our old customers that are come down from where we were on DuPont, and then we have found that the local people here on College Street tend to be more vegan and vegetarian, so we're changing our menu accordingly for that. We just joined Courier, which has now changed their name, I know, but we do have food that can be delivered as well.
Fantastic. Now, if people were wanting to find out a little more information about Dish, where would they be going on the interwebs?
We have a new website, which is great, and we also have a Facebook and a Twitter account. We're trying to do as much social media as we can.
And the address of the website?
It's www.dishcookingstudio.com.
That's fantastic. Well, Pam, we're delighted to see you in your new space here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for having Good Food Revolution in for a look around, and we look forward to seeing you here, perhaps for one of the classes.
Sounds great. Thanks, Jamie.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.